Have a problem? The 5 whys can help. The 5 whys is a way to find the root cause of a problem. It's simple. Ask why 5 times. Each why digs deeper into the problem. This helps you find the real reason things went wrong. Think of it like this. You have a flat tire. You could just fill it with air. But what if the tire is punctured? You need to find the puncture and fix it. The 5 whys helps you find that puncture. This method is easy to use. Anyone can do it. You don't need special tools or training, just curiosity and a desire to solve the problem for good. The 5 whys is powerful because it goes beyond the surface. Many times, we only fix the symptom of a problem. This is like filling up a flat tire without finding the puncture. Asking why 5 times forces you to think deeper. You start to see connections you missed before. This leads you to the root cause of the problem. When you find the root cause, you can fix it properly. This stops the problem from happening again. No more putting a bandage on a bigger issue. Let's look at some real-life examples. Imagine a bakery. They keep running out of cookies in the afternoon. Let's use the 5 whys. 1. Why are we out of cookies? Because we sold more than we baked. 2. Why did we sell more than we baked? Because there was a big lunch rush at the cafe next door. 3. Why was there a big lunch rush? They had a special offer on sandwiches. 4. Why didn't we know about the special offer? We don't usually communicate with the cafe. 5. Why don't we communicate with the cafe? No one made it a priority. See? We found the root cause is poor communication. Now the bakery can fix that. Here's another example. Imagine a student is always late for school. 1. Why is the student late for school? Because they missed the bus. 2. Why did they miss the bus? They overslept. 3. Why did they oversleep? Their alarm didn't go off. 4. Why didn't the alarm go off? The power went out during the night. 5. Why didn't they have a backup alarm? They never thought they needed one. The root cause is not having a backup plan. The student can now get a battery-powered alarm clock. The 5 whys is a simple yet powerful tool. It helps you identify the root cause of problems, find effective solutions that last, prevent problems from happening again. Next time you face a problem, try the 5 whys. You might be surprised by what you discover. What are your thoughts on the 5 whys technique? Share your experiences and insights in the comments below. Don't forget to follow us for more insightful content and subscribe to our newsletter for exclusive tips and tricks.